Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will show you how to check bio on Facebook. So, let's dive right in. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or by selecting your name from the menu. On your profile, scroll down until you see the Edit Public Details section. Tap on Edit Public Details to view your bio information, including details like work and education, contact and basic info, and more. Scroll down a bit until you see the section labelled Bio. You might see Add Bio if you haven't created one yet. Tap on Add Bio or Edit next to your current bio. Write a compelling bio that reflects your personality and interests. Facebook allows up to 101 characters, so keep it concise and impactful. And there you have it. Checking your bio on Facebook is as easy as that. Feel free to update your bio anytime to keep your profile fresh and informative. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.